Hey all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an impromptu video. My mom recently purchased a wooden stand and I thought why not I use it for rearranging my work desk, and that's what I'm filming. So in today's video we are going to be seeing how is that I use that stand to rearrange my work desk. So the first thing that I'm doing here is taking all the things that was previously there on that particular place and cleaning it, just spraying some soapy liquid that I have, which I usually use to clean my work desk. Once I clean that area, I'm going to keep the stand and see how it really fits and what all I can actually keep on it. So the stand is white in color and it's really looking good. The width of it is also not too tiny, so that we actually can use it to fix place a lot of things on top of it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is place my study lamp there. So here in the part where I'm living, it gets so dusty. We are actually living near the main road, nearby the main street. So because of so many vehicles and everything, it gets so dusty. But that is one advantage when you have OCD and you just love cleaning. So cleaning just relaxes me, and I clean my work desk every week. And I deep clean my work desk. By that, what I mean is take all the pen out from the stand and clean them every 2 times in a month, I would say. And every week I clean. The deep clean process would be just 2 times in a month. So then I'm placing my Bluetooth speaker, some crayons, and color pencils that I usually use for highlighting my notes. These are the neon pen sets that I recently bought for my birthday. Placing my candle, and this is a Bluetooth speaker I call it night lamp. I don't use it for the speaker purpose. And these are the to-do list notepads that I recently purchased from Amazon. So there are 6 notepad sets, and I'm also using a normal notepad that I normally use for making my to-do list. I'm placing that also at the bottom shelf. This is a candle I recently purchased from a small business, and I really love how this is a handmade candle that person made it for me and gave. I really love it. I will leave the link for this candle in the description, so if you want, you can check their store out. And this is the stuffed animal that my friend gifted for me on my birthday, keeping that. And these are the bookmark sets that I recently bought and keeping that also on the bottom shelf. So taking a small plastic container that I had and seeing if it is fitting properly, it is. Happy about it. So these are some stock sketch pens that I use for mandala painting, and so these are the Camlin brush pens that I have. I'm going to place them in this plastic container. They really fit well, so I'm going to place it in the bottom shelf. This is again a plastic box, but my mom made it beautiful with all the washi tapes, and she used some stickers and all, and she made it pretty. So I'm keeping my big stapler that I use on at the bottom shelf. This is another pen stand of mine, and I thought, okay, so if I have to place anything there, I might. So I'm keeping that there. This is the water bottle that I have that really didn't fit down, so I'm keeping it at the top. These are my AC remotes and my Bluetooth speaker remote. I actually have a Boat sound bar, so it's the remote of that. So now it's time to clean my laptop. Like I mentioned in the previous video, I clean my laptop using a small uh, tissue. These are the facial tissues that we usually use because they are so soft. I use it to clean my laptop as well. Cleaning the laptop stand. Now it's time to rearrange and do some decluttering work actually on the cluttered work desk. Keeping my hard disk connector, USB connector inside where it belongs, inside a hard disk box. And this is a ritual I follow every week, guys. I just take out all the pen stands from there because that particular wooden stand also gets dusty, so I have to clean that. After I take all the pen stands out, I don't deep clean all the pens. Like I told, I do it twice in a month, not every week. So I just clean the surfaces of the pen and place them again where it belongs. The bottom part is where I keep my books and some glitter pens. So I take them out and clean those parts as well. If you like watching my videos, please do subscribe, guys. Yeah, so these are the books that I usually read, and I always try to keep them on my study desk so that during the breaks I don't get distracted by my mobile. Instead, I take one of these books and start reading them. Now it's time to clean my diary and my tab and the entire desk. So I clean it again once using the same liquid, placing my laptop, turning my Toggle on. So Toggle is the time tracker app that I use usually to track my time. And these are the fairy lights. So this is how my study come work desk looks like right now. I love how neat they look, neat and organized they look. I'm just so in love with that candle and the elephant. Remotes are actually fitting in very good, so happy about that. So this is the vision board decorated with some fairy lights that I bought from Amazon. So this is how my entire work desk looks like right now. So thank you, guys. Thank you for rearranging it with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment your favorite part, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so that you will get notified whenever I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching.